Hi, this is Algebra 2, Chapter 6, Practice Test Solutions. We're going to do number 10 and then do 11 or 12 through 14. We did 11 before in the first video. But we skipped 10, so here's number 10. 11 over the fifth root of a to the fourth. We need to rationalize the denominator. And we can't take the fifth root of a to the fourth. We need another fifth root of a in the denominator to make the denominator the fifth root of a to the fifth. But whatever we do to the denominator, we also have to do to the numerator. So the numerator becomes 11 times the fifth root of a all over the fifth root of a to the fifth. Now, the fifth root of a to the fifth is just a. In the numerator, we still have 11 times the fifth root of a. So the answer for number 10 is 11 times the fifth root of a over a. All right, now back to the other side. Number 12, the square root of 24 plus 5 times the square root of 6. We can't combine them because the radicals aren't exactly the same. But the square root of 24, we can simplify that. 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So we can take out that pair of 2's, because 2 times 2 is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. So we'll take that out to simplify the radical. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 4. Bringing that out as a 2 in front. So our next step is 2 times the square root of 6 plus 5 times the square root of 6. Since those radicals are exactly the same, we can add them together. 2 square root of 6 plus 5 square root of 6 equals 7 times the square root of 6. So number 12, the answer should be 7 times the square root of 6. All right, 13. We're solving for x. We have the quantity 3x minus 7 to the fifth power equals 32. Well, we need to get rid of this exponent first, so we're going to take the fifth root of both sides of the equation. So the fifth root of 3x minus 7 to the fifth, those cancel. So we end up with just 3x minus 7. On the other side, the fifth root of 32 is just 2. Okay. The next step, add 7 to both sides. 3x equals 9. To solve for x, I just have to divide by 3. X equals 3. Okay, it's always a good idea to try this in the original equation to make sure it works. Okay. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 to the fifth is 32. So we're good. And 14. Now this one's just slightly different because this is an even root. When you go through and take the fourth root of both sides, remember you have to make sure you do the positive and negative, the plus and minus, because the fourth root of 81 could be 3 or negative 3. Now the fourth root of 2x plus 15 to the fourth, those cancel, and we just have 2x plus 15. All right, to make my life simpler, I'm going to split this into 2. 2x plus 15 equals 3, or 2x plus 15 equals negative 3. Oops, off the page. There we go. Solve each of these. Subtract 15 from both sides. 2x equals negative 12. Divide by 2. X equals negative 6. All right, or on this side, when I subtract 15, I end up with 2x equals negative 18. Divide by 2. X equals negative 9. All right, and to be perfectly sure they work, try both of them in the equation. All right. We'll try negative 6 first. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Negative 12 plus 15 is 3. 3 to the fourth is 81, so that works. Negative 9. Negative 9 times 2 is negative 18. Negative 18 plus 15 gives you negative 3. And negative 3 to the fourth ends up also being positive 81. Okay, so remember, if I spoke too fast, just go back, look at the work, and pause it whenever you like. Okay, good luck on the test.